In fact, when Mrs. Gandhi came back to power in 1980, again the talk began that she will try to further the leftist policies. She did not particularly further leftist policies, but she expanded the bank nationalization by having more and more branches across India. In fact, today's middle class, today's non-banking middle class I am referring to, today's middle class is entirely a product of bank nationalization. In 1969, when the banks were nationalized, there were hardly any branches in the rural areas. Peasants were not getting any loan. The small farmer, the small craftsman in Mumbai, the small industry, they were not getting loan. The term that we use today, micro, medium, small industries, those terms did not exist, but they were there and they were held by the banks. I remember covering myself as a reporter in the Economic Times, going to villages and finding out how loans are being distributed to farmers and to craftsmen and to small traders and to small businessmen. So now banks had spread out, banks had completely spread out across the rural area, and today's middle class is a product of that class. Today's peasantry, I mean, let us not forget that the farmers who marched on the Delhi borders, they also marched with tractors. As many as 100,000 tractors came online. Was it possible in 1960s to have a tractor march? I remember people marching, the farmers in their movements marching by feet. And now even 1 lakh tractors came and all of us supported. We must support the farmers movement because farmers have come to that level thanks only to bank nationalization in 1969. Bank nationalization created the new kind of prosperity and the prosperity among those classes who never thought that their life would be better.